In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Phantom wallets. If you're looking to expand your wallet options for managing digital assets, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and set up multiple wallets without any hassle. First and foremost, you'll want to open the Phantom app. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so before proceeding. Once you've opened the app, log into your account. This is an important step as it ensures you're accessing the right account with the proper credentials. If you have security settings such as a password or biometric login, make sure to use them to keep your account secure. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you'll notice your account balance and the tokens you currently hold, providing a quick snapshot of your assets. The home page serves as the central hub for all your transactions and management tasks. Next, direct your attention to the settings. It's typically represented by a gear icon, making it easy to identify. Click on it to bring up a list of options related to how your account is managed. This is where you'll have access to various customization and security settings to enhance your experience. Among the settings options, find and select Manage Accounts. This is a crucial part of our process today, as it allows you to oversee all your existing wallets and add new ones. By clicking on this option, you open the door to creating or linking additional accounts. You'll notice a choice labeled Add or Connect Wallet. Click this to proceed and you'll be presented with several possibilities, offering flexibility on how you wish to manage your crypto assets. You can create a new account, connect a hardware wallet, and much more. However, our focus today is solely on the Create New Account option. By selecting this, you begin the process of developing a brand new wallet under your Phantom account setup. When you click to create a new account, you'll be prompted to enter a name for it. This step is more than just a formality. It's important as it helps distinguish between